natin si Cam, si Bridget, ng isang Jolliest birthday song. Okay, ready?
Ready!
Jolly birthday to you! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Jolly birthday! Ayan, okay, palakpakan po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Ayan, at syempre bilang daw po tayo ng tatlo bago daw po tuloy ang i-blow ni Cam and Bridget ang kanilang candle. Pero bago yan, ayan, hingi muna tayo ng birthday wish kay Mami and kay Daddy.
Ayan natin si Mommy. Wishing you all the best. Mababait naman kayo. You're good kids. I know you're good kids. You deserve this. Okay?
Ayan, at syempre si Daddy. What's your birthday wish?
Wishing you both a very happy
Ayan, Daddy said it's okay. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan, at syempre, bilang daw po tayo ng tatlo bago daw po tuloy ang i-blow ni Bridget, ni Matt, and ni Cam ang kanilang candle. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow your candle and make a wish. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Ayan, at syempre, hindi na po dyan natatapos ang surprise ni Jollibee dahil meron daw siyang magandang special gift para sa kanila. Ayan, bigyan mo na daw ang iyong special gift. Ayan. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating birthday celebrant.
Isang family picture daw po muna ulit. Together with the